So in this demo, we're going to look at the Doppler effect. This device is going to produce a certain frequency. If you turn it on, you'll hear it. So that's at a certain frequency. So for the Doppler effect, what we want to do is to see what happens when you add motion to this. So if I twist this around, I kind of do this, you should hear a difference in the frequencies because the device that's producing the sound at a certain frequency is moving closer and away from, say, my microphone. So let's try this out. So you should have probably heard as it gets further away from me and close to me, a change in the frequency. So if a source of frequency or sound comes towards you, you should hear the frequency get higher, and as it moves away, the frequency should get lower. So this is a demo of the Doppler effect.